Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to change your additional name on LinkedIn using your PC. This feature is particularly useful if you want to display a former name, maiden name, or even a nickname on your profile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically features your profile picture. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, find the Account Preferences section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access more options related to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you see Profile Information. Under this section, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can make changes to how your name appears on your profile. Once you're in the name settings, look for the Additional Name field. Here, you can enter the name you wish to add or change. This could be a nickname or any other name that you want to be displayed alongside your primary name. After entering your desired additional name, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that all your changes are recorded and visible on your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your additional name on LinkedIn. This small change can help others recognize you more easily and make your profile feel more personal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking!